Welcome back, viewers. Foreign Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has met Prime Minister Narendra Modi amid the issue of the deportation of the Indian nationals. 104 of the Indians who had entered the USA illegally have now been deported, while the US airlines had brought them back yesterday. Dr. Jaishankar is also expected to deliver a statement in the Rajya Sabha at 2 p.m. Today is what we are given to understand. He is also expected to give a speech in Lok Sabha at 3 p.m. My colleague Anand Singh. All right, let's listen into what in fact we have at this point of time.
I've been an early voter, a Delhi voter, and I think the public is in a mood for change. I've been an early voter, a Delhi voter, and I think the public is in a mood for change.
All right, now in fact joining me live on the broadcast is my colleague Anand Singh. Anand, Dr. S. Jaishankar is expected to speak on this issue of 104 Indian nationals who have been deported from the United States for illegally entering into the USA and through the donkey routes, which has become a major issue. In fact, at 2 p.m. and then in Rajya Sabha as well at 3 p.m. is what we are given to understand. What are the details that you are picking up?
Yeah, Simran, look, the way in which 104 Indian nationals were deported back to India in a US C-130J United States Army Force plane over here, and which landed at Chandigarh airport yesterday. So clearly a war of word has now erupted between the opposition and the government over here, with the External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar. He is all expected to speak at 2 p.m. in the Lok Sabha, while he will be making a statement on the same issue in Raj Sabha, that is the House of Elders, at 3 p.m. So clearly this statement will also settle the opposition's war that he has been facing, the way in which several Indians have been deported back, as opposition MPs today staged a protest inside the Parliament House, that the way in which Indians were deported and their hands handcuffed, and even in their legs the handcuffs were present. So clearly they have made this a very big issue, saying that Indians should have been deported back with full dignity, and the Indian government should have sent its own plane instead, that the US military plane has to deport them back to India. So clearly Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who is the Congress MP from Kerala Wayanad and also party general secretary, she also hit out at the government, saying that she has heard that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is very good friend with US President Donald Trump, and the Prime Minister must not have allowed this kind of inhuman activity, as the Indians were deported with their hands handcuffed. So clearly she took a swipe at the government, and she said that the Prime Minister and External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar both should make a statement on the issues. And even Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge also put out a tweet, and he mentioned that we are against the way in which Indians' dignity have been hurt, and India should have sent its own plane to bring them back. So clearly the opposition parties have now joined ranks with the Congress, as even Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav was seen in the protest along with the RJD members in parliament, while staging a protest against the government when over the issue of this deportation of 104 Indians who had went to US illegally via donkey route. And remember, this donkey route issue was first raised by the opposition parties during the Haryana elections, especially last year, when several of the cases of these Indian people going to settle in US illegally had come forth over here. Even Rahul Gandhi has raised that issue earlier. So clearly now the opposition is trying to corner the government on this issue. However, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar is all set to make the statement. So all eyes will be on S. Jaishankar, that what he has to say on this issue of the deportation of Indians from the United States. Back to you, Simran.
All right, Anand. Thank you very much for sharing these details and giving us more information.